as the ratchet turns.
Hey guys, I'm Sean. You're watching As the Ratchet Turns here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. It's been another busy week. Let's see what's been going on around the shop.
Working on a coolant service, changing out the antifreeze, flushing everything out, replacing the serpentine belt here on the Nissan. If you have any questions about preventive maintenance, give us a call at 740-335-2000. Getting ready to replace sway bar end links on the Suburban. It's making some noise. Found it's broke. Take care of that. Got Ron replacing a rusted out oil pan on a '06 Durango. Ryan's working on replacing the clutch on a Mazda. Doing some brake lines on the old Buick. Brad doing some diagnostics on the Super Duty. Raining hard at work here in the lobby. And Justin taking care of recycling. Going green here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive Center. It's one of Justin's favorite things to do. Brad doing some diagnostics work on Chevy truck. He's a little camera shy today. Ray and Ryan diagnosing an air conditioning issue. Doing some axles, front axles on the big Chevy truck. Justin putting a fresh set of Cooper tires on the Impala.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of As the Ratchet Turns here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. Don't forget to stop out and see us or give us a call, 740-335-2000. Have a good day.